So the next product in our Mindful Beauty category is Subtle Energies Facial Blend. This is one of my all-time favorite products. I have used it probably for almost 10 years now, and it is a product I use almost every day. Subtle Energies is an Australian brand, and it's based around both Ayurveda, which is the Indian form of medicine, and aromatherapy. When I think about mindful beauty, I think about rituals and moments of peace and calm that you inject into your day. And for me, this product just signals to my body that it's time to relax. So the main oil in this blend is actually jojoba, and it's also got sandalwood, rose, sesame oil. I actually keep one next to my bed. I might take my makeup off at the end of the day, and then right before bed I'll just do a little facial massage with this oil. I highly recommend that you try this one just so you can smell it. It's really beautiful.